To redeem a code, start by opening a web browser and typing in Remitly or Remitly.com to access the company's website. This will take you to the Remitly homepage, where you can send and receive money online from the United States. On this page, you will see options such as language, rates and fees, providers, help, and sign up and login buttons. To access your account, click on the Login button and enter your email and password. Once logged in, you will see various sections, including Send Money, Transfer History, Refer Friends, and Language Settings. Click on the Welcome section, where you will find options such as Settings, Redeem Offer, and Help. To redeem a code, select the Redeem Offer option. Enter your offer code, and click Apply Offer. If you are unsure about how to use offer codes, you can learn more about them through this option. By following these steps, you can easily redeem a code and take advantage of the services offered by Remitly.